Saturday, everyone. Thank you for joining me again. Today we have a three-part video. The first part will be the unboxing of Suemae Everyday's prize that I won on her giveaway. The second part is the update on the Lady Dior that I got the stains off successfully and safely a year ago. It's been a year and I thought maybe you'd like to see an update on how the bag looks. The third part is the most exciting for me. I never would have thought that I met so many good friends. So again, I'm going to show the bag that I'm going to be giving away when I reach 1,000 subscribers, which is really, really close. I don't even care how long it takes because the people that I've subscribed to have been so nice and have supported me in so many other ways that you would never know. So here we go. If you've never joined me before, my name is Jennifer. I upload videos about handbags. I absolutely love them. I've loved them since I was little. I like the history behind luxury designer handbags. And so if you're into that stuff, please subscribe. And always hit the like button. I appreciate it. And always hit that little notification bell so you know when I've uploaded my next video. So first off, Suemae Everyday had a giveaway, and I literally never win anything. Ever since I was little, I don't win stuff. So finally, I won something, and she sent it in this box, and I already know what it is because she actually gave us an ability to choose which giveaway prize, and you know which one I won because she put it on Instagram too. So here it is. I cannot wait. I waited to unbox this with you guys. Thank you, Suemae Everyday. If you've never joined her channel, please do because she's just fun. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's a Rebecca Minkoff mirrored Sunnies pouch. It's designed for you to put your sunglasses in. So what we'll do is unwrap. Oh, Suemae, thank you very much. How cute is that? And I can, oh my gosh, it's brand new. Wow, I cannot believe you did this as a giveaway. And also check her out on her Instagram page. Her Instagram has so much good content. Oh, there's even still the tissue around the hardware. And it's a Sunnies pouch, and the inside has this satin black lining, and it has the care package and stuffing, and it's padded. I absolutely love this so much. Thank you so much, Suemae Everyday. Yeah, I've always liked her channel. I remember when I first started my channel, she always would help support my channel and tell people to come watch me because my voice was so relaxing. Then I was doing yoga, and my mom, you won't believe this, Suemae Everyday. My mom was listening. I do down dog yoga, which is an app on the, and it's an app. And the voice Karina sounds like me, and Mom heard me and she goes, "Is that you?" I go, "No, but Suemae, you're right, I have a yoga voice." Okay, second part is the update on the medium Lady Dior. This is from the year 2011, I think. I can't remember which year. I'm going to show you the video just right up there. And so I wanted to give a 1-year update on the areas that I treated on this beautiful Lady Dior. As you know, this is an older version, so the strap is thinner and it's not adjustable. But these are the squares that I treated on the back, and I have not had any damage of the leather, and it actually looks like all the squares that I never touched with the magic eraser followed by the Trinova leather conditioner and restore. Isn't that amazing? I've had some people comment that they apply the Trinova on their handle and it did darken the leather. So I think always with caution with anything. This is my own personal experience. Just try it on an area maybe down here that no one will see first, just to be careful. And then I treated the corners as well with magic eraser and the Trinova leather restore and conditioner, and there is no signs of any damage to the leather. And I haven't had to retreat with the Trinova leather conditioner and restore at all. I brought the bottle again. Hold on. This is the Trinova leather conditioner and restorer, and I applied it with. Oops. I always put a little dab here on the sponge that comes with it, and then I applied it very quickly after I cleaned the bag up with the magic eraser. So it was like very little bit of water on the magic eraser. I went across it and like immediately it came off, so I didn't even scrub real hard. And then I just rubbed it right down with the Trinova Leather Restore and Conditioner, and I didn't like apply it directly to the bag. And maybe it's the type of stain that it was. It was just a dark stain. I'll link the picture up there again. So it was just 4 really dark squares. So this is the 1-year update on this beautiful bag from Christian Dior. I absolutely love the Lady Dior in medium. Okay, and the final thing is, remember, when we hit 1,000 subscribers on my channel, I would love to give away this beautiful vintage Louis Vuitton Speedy in the size 30. The story behind this is a made in France piece from the year 2003. Completely good condition, no smells whatsoever, no stains. I have the sales receipt from What Goes Around Comes Around, and this is their receipt, and I'll have the What Comes Around Goes Around bag. And so, as you know, the older versions don't have the zipper, and it's got this like waxy film, and there's like no cracking to this waxy pocket at all. I can't believe what great shape this is in. The reason that I'm giving this away is out of gratitude, because this is a made in France piece. As you know, if you followed me, I love made in France. I just want one of you guys to have something that I enjoy so much. I know it's not new, but I feel like these vintage pieces have so much more value. And the reason I decided to do it as a giveaway, this was like probably, wasn't it like 3 months ago or 4 months ago? What happened was I ordered this off of, wasn't it? It was Shopbop. And I bought this off of Shopbop. I'll link the video up there. And I bought it with a Chanel small vintage bag. And what ended up happening was I didn't like the sheen on this because it didn't match like my other Louis Vuitton sheens. It just wasn't as deep or rich. And so what I ended up doing was I ordered another one the very next week from Fashionphile and kept that one, and asked Fashionphile to buy this one, and they were only going to give me, I think it was like $350 for this bag. And I thought, she is worth so much more than that. And so I thought, you know, some of these giveaways that we can do, I could have given you all a brand new wallet or a brand new key clay, which is worth $250. This is an entire bag that I absolutely love someone to enjoy, and I want to give this to somebody. So spread the word, please, and I would like it to go to someone who will not resell it, but that will really appreciate the Louis Vuitton bag. So I think what I'll do for the giveaway is make sure that the person's obviously subscribed to my channel, which thank you all for subscribing already, and also follow me on Instagram, which is from Jen with Hope, same exact name. And when it comes time to be the giveaway, I think what we'll do is I'll do a video just on this, and I'll have you all comment on something special so that it'll be easy, and I think just fate will kind of choose who will get to own this beautiful, perfect, vintage Louis Vuitton Speedy 30. There's like, look at the patina. It's like patina's perfect. Absolutely nothing wrong, no stains. I just can't believe how excellent of a condition this is, and I can't believe Fashionphile is going to only do $350 for this bag. I just couldn't believe it. So there was just no way that I was going to sell this bag to them for that little. It was just bad. So I can't wait till we hit 1,000. Who knows? I just wanted to remind everyone to subscribe, to follow me on Instagram, and whenever you, whoever wants this, when the time comes and I have the kind of rules or whatever you call it, in order to qualify for the giveaway, we'll come up with something really cool so I know that this goes to the right person and it doesn't get sold, and that the person actually really appreciates her beauty and the reason that I love Louis Vuitton and the history behind the company so much. Well, thank you again for making my life so full, and I will see you again in my next video.